Feeling better? You slept for almost 24 hours.
Don't think I didn't hear last night all the noises coming from your office?
What?
Up until 3 o'clock in the morning? I mean, what were you doing in there?
I was asked to join a live stream, you dirty bird, with other writers.
And you didn't think to ask me?
Well, he didn't give me much of a chance before he slammed the door in my face yesterday morning, you know?
I'm sorry that I was up all night trying to get a haircut and you a deal.
What kind of deal?
I can't really say because I'll breach contract, and besides, it's a surprise.
Well, if you're interested in viewing the live stream, everybody who participated in it, all the channels and links are down below. Give it a check out.
What are you looking at?
What?
You just zoned out on something and started talking.
Dowdy, are you feeling okay?
What? Not me, it's you! Are you feeling okay?
You're looking a little pale. How is your head?
What? You're the most time to somebody who's not even here.
Dowdy.
Stop!
Hey guys, Nolan here. I just wanted to welcome everybody who decided to join Self-Doubt and myself on this writing journey. See, Dowdy, I was just talking to our viewers earlier, that's all.
But the camera wasn't there before.
So today we have something real fun. We've been tagged to do the Friends Tag. Thank you so much to Greener Side of Sam, which, by the way, the link to her channel is right down below. Give it a check out.
Greener Side of Sam. Sounds like Dr. Zeus. Who is that?
She's the one who invited me to the live stream.
Oh, the one who didn't invite me? What? Am I not good enough? Am I not good enough?
No, Dowdy.
No, I got it, it's fine. Boys aren't allowed, but one boy's fine, that's fine.
Could you calm your tits for a second, please? We were both invited, you had a temper tantrum, we're moving on, alright? So, the first thing is F for friendship. Choose a book with a strong friendship.
Oh, this ought to be good, coming from the person who has no friends.
Well, I'm gonna say Harry Potter. Call me basic. Get me that pumpkin spice latte. Here we go. And the sad part is, it's not really because of the books, but that's okay.
Well, call me ignorant, but isn't it supposed to be about books?
Yeah, but it's based on the book. And it's only when I saw it on film that made me kind of go, ooh, that hit me.
That seems a little against the rules.
Uh-oh, the book police are here.
What?
It's a goggle reference. Here, never mind. Anyway, it wasn't until the end of the film of, I think it was the 6th one, you know, at the very end where they're all like,
we're all gonna do this together, risk our lives, just for you, Harry.
And Ron and Hermione are like, we got your back. It's a recreation of what happens in the book, so it still counts, Dowdy. But seeing the characters say it, that they're in it together, going to risk their lives, it kind of made me go, I want friends like that. Honestly, my friends won't even subscribe to this damn channel. Which, by the way, subscribe is like right down there, give it a click, I'm desperate.
Okay, let me see. What is it? R is for real life. Choose a non-fiction book.
Easy peasy, a million little pieces. I'll be completely honest, I don't really like nonfiction, and I'd probably never read this book again. But I will hand it to the author. He did make me feel things, so I gotta hand it to him there.
Is that Oprah's book club sticker?
I didn't read it because Oprah told me to, Dowdy.
So then what's the next book she wants you to read?
Haha, nice try. I already know that joke, so, Moving on. What's the next one? Hold on, it says it right here. Where is it? I is for independent. Choose a book by an independently published author.
Ooh, this is all mine. I'm choosing Red Lies by Tanya from Tanya's Writing Realm.
Right on.
She cared enough about me to talk about me on her channel. And to give me a free book. Yeah, bitch, that's how we roll.
Right on there, Dowdy. Good job. Next one is E. E is for ending. Choose a book with an ending that made you want to scream.
Dorothy must die. That's all I have to say.
Dorothy must die. I haven't read that in years.
Spoiler alert, she don't die. Read the whole thing all the way to the end, waiting to see how they're gonna kill this tart, and guess what? Didn't even happen. Just a big old middle finger to us.
I think that was kind of part of the plan, you know, cliffhanger or whatnot.
Well, great for you, Nolan, but I read the title and I was intrigued. Guess what? I didn't feel like I got what I wanted. So, next!
N is for new. Choose a new book. Oh, I got this one handled. I'm gonna say The Ivies by Alexa Dunn. Always been a big fan of her channel. I think she's an amazing person, but her books were never really geared towards me, so...
And what's that? Awesomeness?
They're pretty awesome, too. Yeah. But no, her stuff is all like romance and like YA romance, so like, no, I can't stand romance on the best of days, so YA romance, no.
Okay, now it's D for dark. Choose a book with dark themes.
I don't know if I've really ever read a really dark book. I mean, like, really dark. I mean, I guess the best one I can think of at the top of my head would be Valley of the Dolls.
You really think that's dark?
I mean, it does go over drug addiction, being in a miserable relationship with a guy who you love, but he can't keep his thing in his pants, and, you know, friends that aren't really friends, they suck. Maybe it's not dark like, you know, putting a baby in a blender, but...
Well, we're gonna pretend we didn't hear that. Moving on. S is for sharing. Take some of your favorite channels. Oh, Tanya's writing round. You got you, girl.
Wow, okay. Tanya, you've really made an impression on Dowdy. A+ for that, so you better, you know, do this tag, because who knows what he's gonna do next. I guess I'd also like to tag Beauty in the Books. I think definitely she'd have some fun doing this too, so definitely, you two should definitely do this tag. And to whomever else would like to partake in it, you don't need me to tag you or anybody else, just do it, enjoy it.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't think it's gonna be any worse than this dumpster fire, so...
You really do have a marvelous way with words.
Thank you. I try real hard.
And that's pretty much everything we've got for you guys today. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and a big shout out thanks again to Greener Side of Sam. Of course, I was going to say Greener Side of Eggs, it really was. Thank you again so much for asking Self-Doubt and myself to partake in this tag. Never done it before, it's quite interesting. But now it's on to you. Let us know down below what you thought of this video. And if you don't want to make your own video about this tag, why not answer all the questions and post it down below in the comment section. Love to hear your thoughts. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a like? As I've said before, it's a little thing, but it really does go a long way. And if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button and join Self-Doubt and myself on this writing journey. We have new videos up every week for your entertainment, but also to help writers with their own writing. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.
So, I'm really sorry I can't tell you about this deal I mentioned earlier, but it's just how it is.
It's fine. No big deal.
No, I can hear it in your voice. I hear it in your tone. I can just hear it. It's just like bursting through the scenes. I know you want to know.
No, I'm good. I mean it.
Okay, well, since you keep persisting,
It's okay.
I'll tell you.
It's okay.
It's this. It's a